What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're here in Muppet Courtyard paying homage to a legend. Not just PizzaRizzo, but this whole area. So stick around, we're going to take you on a tour and show you all that is Muppet Courtyard. All right, so before we dive into this tour of Muppet Courtyard, let's take a trip down memory lane. Let's rewind to the late 1980s. After the success of Star Tours and Captain EO, Disney wanted more cutting-edge experiences in its new MGM Studios park. In 1989, Disney announced plans to partner with Jim Henson and the Muppets for a series of attractions, including a great Muppet movie ride, a sit-down restaurant, and the only one that actually came to life, Muppet Vision 3D. Tragically, Jim Henson passed away in 1990 just before the attraction's completion. But in his honor, Disney pushed forward and Muppet Vision 3D opened on May 16, 1991, exactly 1 year after his death. This attraction is one of the very last Muppet projects personally overseen by Jim Henson, which gives it a special place in theme park history. All right, so let's talk about Muppet Vision 3D, right? The fun starts before you even get into the show. The queue is filled with classic Muppet gags, jokes, and even a sign that says back in 5 minutes. Key is under the mat. Hint, there really is. The pre-show might be the funniest part of the whole experience. It's chaotic behind-the-scenes Muppet mess in the best possible way.
Hello, hi there. Welcome to my park. How you doing? Hello.
Whoa.
What?
You are not Mickey Mouse, you are a rat.
Rat schmat. Besides, they're tourists. What do they know?
Will you get out of here?
Okay, but do I still get my $10?
Get out!
Right.
I've got Donald Duck back here.
Will you get out?
Yes.
After that, it's time for the main show, a mix of live-action Muppets, 3D film, animatronics, and in-theater effects. The story, the Muppets are showing off their new 3D technology, and of course, everything goes hilariously wrong. Some key highlights are Sweetums appears live in the theater, Waldo, the spirit of 3D, causes chaos, Statler and Waldorf roast the entire production, and Fozzie Bear's flower has a special surprise for you.
Waka waka!
He's trying to drown us! What kind of act is that?
An act of mercy!
All right, so technically this is called Grand Avenue, but it has been, always will be Muppet Courtyard to me. Keep your eyes open for hilarious backdrops and props styled like a Muppet backlot. It's charming, weird, and very Muppety. In 2017, Disney rebranded the area as Grand Avenue, themed to a hip, urban LA neighborhood, part of a transition leading up to the opening of Galaxy's Edge. Today, Muppet Vision 3D still anchors the area with PizzaRizzo serving up slices next door. You'll also find the Miss Piggy fountain, though it was briefly removed during construction. And yes, the fountain still has Miss Piggy in full diva mode, posing in the middle with water shooting from her frog and fish statues. All right, so one of the hidden gems in Muppet Courtyard is upstairs at PizzaRizzo. Not necessarily for the food, but for the vibes. Rizzo's Deluxe Supreme Banquet Hall. Somebody got married. Gil and Lil. Daughter of Will and Jill, son of Phil and Bill. With DJ Electric Mayhem playing. So there's this fantastic ballroom upstairs, tucked away in PizzaRizzo. This will be missed, for sure. R.I.P. PizzaRizzo. Rat pizza. One thing you gotta love about pretty much everything at Disney is the Easter eggs. Over on this side, we have some fantastic artwork as well. of all the Muppets. Swedish Chef getting some love. All right, so now for the hard question. Is Muppet Vision 3D showing its age? Kinda. The video quality is from the 90s, some references are dated, and not every kid today even knows who Bean Bunny is. But it's still one of the most clever, lovingly crafted, and genuinely funny attractions at Walt Disney World. And it's the only theme park attraction featuring the original Muppet cast and Jim Henson's direct work. Here's 5 fun facts about the Muppets. Number 1, the original attraction had an adjacent theme store called Stage 1 Company Store, which is now rarely open. Number 2, Waldo C. Graphic, the first digital Muppet, was designed specifically for this show. Number 3, Sam Eagle's finale was originally a glorious 3-hour tribute to all nations, but mostly America. Number 4, the theater is designed based on the original Muppet show itself. And number 5, if you look closely in the pre-show, you'll notice a full net of Jell-O. Why? It's a pun. A net full of Jell-O equals a net funicello. Get it?
Yeah. Oh, well, that's great.
So, ultimately, what's the point of this video? After more than 30 years of laughter, chaos, and rubber chickens, Muppet Vision 3D and the rest of Grand Avenue, aka Muppet Courtyard, is officially going to be closing its curtains on June 8th, 2025, marking the end of a true Disney Parks classic. This closure also includes the surrounding Grand Avenue area, which will soon be transformed into a brand new land themed entirely to Monsters, Inc., bringing the streets of Monstropolis to life. Thankfully, this isn't goodbye forever for the Muppets. Eventually, they'll be taking over Rock and Roller Coaster from Aerosmith, as it'll be rethemed to feature the Electric Mayhem with a full-blown Muppet-themed roller coaster in the works. Expect backstage madness, wild visuals, and high-speed jam sessions that only the Muppets could pull off. Honestly, for many of us, Muppet Vision 3D wasn't just another attraction. It was a rare blend of heartfelt humor and creative brilliance, the final Muppet project guided by Jim Henson himself. If you've ever seen Muppet Vision 3D, or if you haven't seen it in years, this is your last chance. Before June 8th, come say goodbye to this overlooked gem that has brought millions of people joy. What do you guys think about the change? Will the Monsters, Inc. land and Muppet Coaster live up to the legacy of what is being replaced? Let me know down in the comments below. But like we always say at this time, tell a friend to tell a friend. And until next time, holla.